Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak Don't Lose Faith. This was also a famous speech from Steve Jobs at the Harvard University, with Steve Jobs. Okay, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. That makes sense, huh? If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. When Jobs got fired from Apple with 30 years old, even building up a 2 billion company, it was very devastating for him. But at the end, it was the best what could happen to him. The heaviness to be successful was replaced to be a beginner again. It freed me, and that was the most creative time in my life. He started 2 new companies and married his wife. This never would have happened if I would still work at Apple. Sometimes life hits your face with a brick. Don't lose faith. The only thing that kept me going was to love what I did. You got to find what you love. And this is true for your work as for your lovers. Your work fills a large part of your life. And the only trainees to be truly satisfied to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it, keep looking, don't settle. So, the next bit is also very awesome. You can't see the dots connecting in the future, only backwards. When Steve Jobs dropped out of college, he had the drive to learn about calligraphy, how to make beautiful typing with different fonts and distance. And 10 years later, he created the Apple computer, which was the first computer who had an artistic calligraphy and became famous through that. You have to trust in something, your guts, life, karma, or ever, because to believe the dots will connect somehow on the road gives you the confidence to follow your heart. I read it again. This is so crucial, because to believe the dots will connect somehow on the road gives you the confidence to follow your heart. You just do it out of your feeling and you have faith in that. No? Even it leaves you from the well-known part, and that makes all the difference. So, for instance, I'm a dyslexic. I hardly could speak without stuttering. I could go only on a low grade school, no chance to go on in college. And I had a dream to become an engineer. And you don't believe it. I learned by myself typing on a typewriter with 10 fingers, blind, when I was 12 years old. This doesn't make sense, you think. To this time, for what? I cannot write correctly in any case. When I did an apprenticeship as a telecommunication installer, I got epilepsy. Working in this profession was not possible. So I went to school again and graduated as an engineer. Nobody had expected that I could write 9 books and even 8 books in a foreign language. Because in language, I was a total failure. Think over what you can't do and do it. Okay. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.